Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about Dubsado. So in this video I will just show you an overview and basically what you can do using Dubsado and why should you actually start using Dubsado if you have a business and you want to just have an easier time managing your time with your business, managing your colleagues or your clients, and just making things easier. So with Dubsado, you really can use it for pretty much all the tools in one place. I'm just going to show you the features in a sec, but generally speaking, it's going to help you with your business in so many different ways, like your payments, your scheduling, your clients, emails, whatever it may be, is going to help you with it. Project management, with all its different tools and things that you can do. Also, like for example, creating forms and signing, e-signing as well. So if you want to send contracts for somebody else to sign, it instead of actually like sending it like a physical, they need a physical copy so they can then scan it and then they just send it to you. Instead of all that, you can just send them the contract and then they can use Dubsado to uh, use an e-signature and other things as well, which I'm going to show you in this video. So if we just go to dubsado.com here, we can just go ahead and see the features. Like it says here in the title, an entire suite of business tools at your fingertips. So really, you get plenty of things to work with. So if we just scroll down, you get custom form templates for many things. So it's not just form templates, but like a lot of template. I'm actually going to go into a dummy account and show you everything, but just like you can create multiple templates if you are using a certain pattern of things. You just keep sending the same thing over and over. You can create beautiful templates and just use those to send them, for example. So this is one of the features, and they've got plenty of templates as well. So like you get the idea here. Invoicing and reporting, we've got automation stuff, we've got scheduling, we've got project management, we've got plenty. So let's just like if we see here, by the way, like we can just click on. We've got also client portals as well. So here we can just have the clients in the portal where, if we read here, allows the clients to access contracts, pay invoices, and fill out forms, all basically in just one place, really. So you can customize the portal to your to suit your business theme, really. And I'm gonna show you how in a sec as well, with your customizable portal or client portals, and you can just do all those things. Like obviously the information are going to be secure and everything and customizable, like I said. And I will show you all of those things once I actually get into my account. So this is for the portal. We've got more about the scheduling. If we see here, like we can see the scheduling here, the tools and stuff. But let's just skip into the real deal, the pricing. So for the pricing, let's go monthly first so we can just get a better understanding. They got two plans. They got the starter plan and they got the premier plan. So for the starter plan is going to be $20 a month. That is if you want to pay monthly, and yearly is going to be $200 a month. For the premier plan, if it's annual, 400. If it's monthly, it's 40. Okay, so what do you get? For the starter plan, you get unlimited projects and clients. But like basically for a starter, you just get the basic stuff. Like here, the all you need basics for organized client management. But here is for more, like I said, like bigger businesses and bigger needs, really. So if you have like, it's not a small business that you have, it's a big business, then I think Premier Plan covers you best. because you get things like scheduling, automated workflows, which is going to help you a lot if you have a ton of requests and just emails, really. So it's going to help you a lot with the automated workflows. We got public proposals, and we can just compare the things down here. If we just, I'm not going to go over everything here. You can just visit the website and see for yourself the comparison between starter and premier. Like here, active lead captures forms. You get one for the starter, unlimited here, and then you can see all the rest, and we can just even explore more futures. But let's just jump into it. So you can actually create a free account, so you can, test things out for yourself. It's going to allow you for 3 clients, and then obviously you would need to upgrade to either starter or premier. But you can simply just click on start for free, and it's going to take you to that. So it's you don't really need a credit card to start, and you don't have a time limit, so it's free forever until you actually exceed this. You have 3 clients remaining on your trial. And obviously if you just want to upgrade. So now that we are in here, so this is going to be the dashboard where everything is going to be listed for us. We can see the left dashboard over here, but first, before everything, let's start with the things that we need to do. So we just first we need to go to settings. So here is going to be where we customize our branding. Main thing, obviously. Here you need to, if you have, if your business has a logo, you just upload it over here. You simply just click over here and just upload a logo that you have. Next up, we can adjust all of those things that we have, like the name, email, phone, and if we want to have, like when we send emails, we want it to be our name or our business. It's up to us. So here needs to be obviously your real name. I'm not really going to put my real information over here. So keep that in mind. But then here, business stuff and things like that. Then next up, after branding, we can go to dashboard settings, and here we can customize how the dashboard looks like. We've got some like financial indicators. Some people don't like it. I will talk about that in a sec, but I just keep it on, and then we just customize the color. Let's just keep it a dark night, and we save. So pretty simple customization here. Here is going to be the client portal customization that we talked about. Here you will have all of these different options that you can adjust and play with in order to customize it to suit your branding and business. So here we've got welcome message, we've got label override, we've got the banner, which is going to be the picture like the banner. It's the horizontal kind of picture. We've got if you need a specific logo for the portal, you upload one. If you don't, you just keep this empty, and it's going to use your logo. And if you don't want any logos, you just click on this. Right. So next, we got for mobile devices, the banner is going to be different. As you can see here, it gives us the size of the picture to make sure that it suits well. And then obviously the colors, it's straightforward that you can just read the header here and see which color matches which, and you can just play around with it. Once we are done with this, we can go around to payments and invoices. Here we obviously fill our taxes and stuff and all the payment stuff. Emails, all of the emails that you want to connect is going to be in here. And most importantly, is going to be the integrations. So if you go to integrations, if you want to integrate to any of these, you simply just click on connect, and it will take you to the website where you can just connect your accounts, and it's going to help you. So if it's Zapier that you want to connect to, you do that with a token. Then domain names, and then the other stuff over there. It's very self-explanatory. Now let's go back to our dashboard here. Let's talk about the dashboard real quick. So for the dashboard, we've got financial goals. Here is going to just show us brief information about some of the stuff here, which I will talk about all of those. So here we can set a financial goal for a set amount of time. So here we set our financial goal and set the time frame. Let's just remove that, and it will show us obviously updated or live tracking for that over here. The invoices that are open here, we can also see a brief info about that. We can see detailed, obviously, over down here. I will show you in a sec. And then revenue indicator. Recent is just going to show you, as you can see, the almost like notifications. I forgot to mention, here's going to be your inbox and here's going to be your notifications. So keep those in mind. You will see a red alert when somebody sends you something or you get a notification. Next up, we've got a calendar overview. So we've got like a standalone tab for a calendar, which I will talk about in a sec. But here in the dashboard, you will see an overview for the important stuff really that we have. So if we have certain projects, it will show us in the calendar overview. And we can also create a new one. We can just click on create here. And whether it's a task, project, or appointment, we can set it over here. We can just do appointment, for example, give it a title. So example or tutorial, because I have already an example. Start date and also end date. So if we want it to be just the same day, we can keep it all like that. If we don't want a specific hour, we just check this and then show me as available or busy. That's up to you. And if you want to select a project, you can do so like that. You can add location and description. You can just click on create, and it should be down here if we refresh. As you can see, it's over here. Okay, so this is for the overview of the calendar. Here, financials, we will see income, expenses, and profit. And we can also, very importantly, compare our income or expenses or profits from certain dates to how it was versus how it is, and see how we are well doing. So this is going to be over here. And we've got also tasks right here. So this, if we just click on the down arrow, it's just going to show us the tasks that we have here. And we can also obviously add task, type the task here. If you want to add a due date, we can just simply use this and select the date that we want it to be due. Project assignee, if you want to assign it to somebody, we can do so right here. If we have multiple users, they will obviously show up here. And we can also make the task private, but let's not create that one. Okay, next we got projects. Projects is going to be in more detail. So if we just click on projects, we will see leads. Let it just load in. So we will see the leads tab. We will see the jobs tab. And basically just if we want a list of all of them combined. If it's just going to load, let me just click on it again, maybe restart. Okay, so in projects, I don't know what happened to my internet. Okay, great. So in the projects, you will see all the leads over here. We can just click on leads and it will list the leads for us. And then here for jobs, obviously we can see here. If you don't know the difference between leads and jobs, leads is basically where you have a potential client, and for jobs, it's pretty much a client, like already set and done. Obviously here you will see the list of clients, and then if you click on them, it will show you things like their email, name, and contact information, things like that. And then we've got also invoices, forms if you have sent anything, appointments, and so on. as well as tasks and stuff like that. As you can see a lot about the client just by clicking on their name. If we go back to projects, we can also filter out all, new, or archived. Okay, great. So reporting, we will see plenty of things here, like project sources, project breakdown, invoices. Here, like I said, you will see the more detailed info about your invoices here. And then transactions, a chart of accounts and reports. Reports meaning like analytics and stuff, which is very, very useful. For calendar, if we click here, we will see the bigger picture of the calendar. And we can obviously, if we click on calendar settings, we can sync calendar with like Google Calendar or Apple or Microsoft calendars. So if we have things there that we want in Dubsado, we can use those to sync them, and we will find all the things within here. And then the rest is going to be self-explanatory. The tasks are going to be all here. My tasks, all tasks, and stuff like that. And you can also have some filters within here. Utilities, you will find the form list, address book here where you can add pretty much all the clients that you want with their emails and stuff. And then the templates where you can create templates for forms, canned emails, packages. You can just click on each one and just you will find these options to create templates from, really, where you can just make things easier for you if you are using the same pack. For example, here it's the same package name, details, and stuff. You can just use a template to make things easier for you. And you can see here you can also edit the discounts. So really, I think it's very self-explanatory. This dashboard for Dubsado is very easy and simple and all crammed up in one place, which is very excellent for businesses to have this kind of open workflow and workspace to work with. So I hope this video helps you on seeing whether Dubsado is good for you or not. I really recommend it if you are, because like Dubsado, what really it does, like it's usually you use like 3 tools to do different things. With Dubsado, you can just use it to like have multiple tools in just one place for your business, which is very excellent. So I hope this video helped you, and that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.